Hello friends, today is May 19th. I'm going to be planting all the plants that I got from Gasco's Farms 2 weeks ago. So I'm going to be planting these tomatoes first. When you plant tomatoes, try to plant them as deep as possible because then it will be stable in the soil, as well as you see some hair-like growth on them. They become roots also, so you will get a better yield if you plant them deep. I prepared this raised bed by removing the top soil and putting fresh potting mix. These are the seedlings of yellow squash. I'm going to plant them in this container. I got all these pepper seedlings from Gasco's Farms in Monroe. These are hot pepper plants. This whole tray of 4 seedlings was only $1.49. These are the seedlings of zucchini. I'm going to be planting them in this container. We can plant 2 seedlings in one container. are the seedlings of eggplant. We can plant 2 eggplant seedlings in this big container. I'm not separating these seedlings because they are too delicate. We can thin them out after they start growing. We can keep the good one.